everyone, we're going to go over how to use the online course classroom for your online world religions course. The first place to start is the Palomar website, so www.palomar.edu. To access your Blackboard class, you're going to go up here to the top to Blackboard and click on that. Once you do, you'll see this sort of welcome screen. Over here it'll say My Courses. And this is where you're going to find our religious studies course. So ours will be Spring 2015 RS 101 World Religions 31474. So you click on that to access our course classroom, and you can see it takes you to the home page here. The only thing that's very important about this home page is the announcements section. So each week I'll be posting an announcement that goes over the requirements for that week. So you can click on that announcement to see what the announcement was. So here I'm just saying welcome to this course and how to get started in the classroom. These announcements will be posted here in the online classroom, and they will also be emailed to you, and that'll be to the email address that you've given Palomar. So please be sure that you're checking that email address. Sometimes I have students who gave the school one email address, but it's one that they never check, so they're actually not getting my announcements each week. So this is always going to have important information in it. So make sure that you're checking the weekly announcement at the beginning of the week. The second place that we need to go is if you go over here, well, first of all, on the left-hand side, this is our control panel. So this is where all the information for the course is located. So we just went over homepage, which is where you're going to find the announcements. And now we're going to go over course information. Course information is where you're going to find all the information that you need on the course itself, as well as all the assignments. So here you can see the course syllabus. So you need to access the course syllabus. You can look at it here online, or you can, oh, where is it? Sorry. Or you can click on the document, you can download it and print it out as well. And I do recommend that you do this. You print out a copy of your syllabus and keep it somewhere that you can look at it easily so that you realize where we are in the course at all time and how to keep up with the course. The other aspect of this section is that it has the instructions for all of your written assignments. So you have a religion in the news assignment, first take-home exam, site visit report, and final exam. So make sure that you're looking at these detailed instructions and information on how to do each of the assignments. The syllabus has just sort of a general summary of what these assignments are. However, if you go based on that, you're not going to know exactly what you're being required to do. So make sure for each of the assignments, you're actually reading the detailed information about how to complete them. So there's that one. First take-home exam, right? Very detailed instructions of what you're going to be asked to do, and everything that I'm going to be all the criteria that I will be using to grade your midterm exam. Site visit report instructions are also here. So you're going to need to choose, remember you're choosing a local house of worship in order to watch a religious service there. They can be from any of the traditions that we study in the course. You can simply start by Googling the tradition that you want. Say you're interested in Buddhism. You could Google Buddhist Temple San Diego or Buddhist Temple San Marcos and start doing your research that way. You can also use this link here. San Diego State's Religious Studies Department has a great informational map about where houses of worship in San Diego area are located. So if you go to this link to their maps, you can search by region, you can search by tradition, or you can search by both. So that's another way to start finding a local house of worship that you'd like to visit. There's also information for the final exam. And then I also have the first PowerPoint here, even though these are all in video lectures, just because the wording on it for some students wasn't coming up very clearly. So that's here just for your information. So every time an assignment is due, make sure that you're looking here and looking at the detailed information on how to complete that assignment correctly. Okay, so all this is located under course information. Then the second tab we have here is assignment submissions. So this is where you actually submit all of your assignments. So we have all of the assignments that you're going to be submitting along with the extra credit if you choose to do extra credit in the course. So when you're ready to submit your assignment, you're going to click on that assignment. It'll have some information about it. This is when it's due. These are the points possible. And then you can either copy and paste your information in here, or if you do a text submission, so you can click on that and copy and paste, or you can upload and attach your assignment as well. So when you're ready to submit your assignment, this is how you're going to do it, okay? You don't need to email me the assignment. They should all be uploaded through the online course classroom. Okay, so there's a different Dropbox for each of your written assignments here. So this is where I expect them to be. This is how you'll submit them. If you have any questions about submission, just let me know. And this is where if you choose to do extra credit, remember you can earn extra credit by visiting more local houses of worship and writing a one-page summary up to a maximum of 3. And that's where you'll submit that. And you can submit those anytime up until May 13th, which is the end of the course. The next one here we have are your discussion boards. So remember, every other week or so, you're going to be completing a discussion board. So you just go to the correct discussion board that you're going to be participating in. There's already several submissions. It has the, if we go back, you can see that it has the question here. So the question is located in the syllabus. It's also located here online. You're going to click on the discussion board that you want to participate in, and you're going to click on Create Thread to post your discussion post. And then this is where you'll compose your discussion post. Although I highly recommend writing your posts on a Word document and then copying and pasting them here, because every once in a while I have a student who's written their discussion post and all of a sudden something happens to their internet, something happens sort of technological, and they lose all of their work. So I strongly suggest you write your discussion posts in Word, then come in here, come into the classroom and copy and paste them in here. Okay, so that's how you post your discussion post. It's by going there. So every other week you'll have one of those that's due. And then when you're going to go back in here to respond, you'll do the same thing. You'll click on it. You'll read several other of students' submissions, what other students have posted for their initial response, and then you're going to respond to those responses, to 2 of those responses each week, minimum of 2. All right, the next one is quizzes. So if you go down here, this is where you access the online quizzes. So the assignments or instructions are here as well. The first quiz covers all the material from units 1 and 2. You have 25 minutes to complete it. You only get 1 chance to complete the quiz, so don't get started until you feel ready. So that's important to note. You only get 1 chance with the quizzes, and it will stop after 25 minutes. So make sure that you really feel ready to take the quiz, because it won't let you pause, it won't let you go back, and once you've completed it, you can't do it again. So that's where you access all of those. When you're ready, you click on that quiz, and then the quiz will begin for you. And then at the end, you hit submit, and then that will be how your quiz is scored. The next one down here are the primary source readings. So this is the primary reading material that you'll see in the syllabus. For each unit, we have a short primary source reading, so you get to see a little bit of the sacred texts of these actual traditions. So the first one that you have in Unit 1 is the Hopi creation myth. And again, with this one, you can read it directly on the screen, or you can download the attachment and print it out. So that's available for you there. And that's where you find all of those that we'll be reading throughout the semester. The next link is for videos. These are for the documentaries that you'll be watching. So each of these, when you have to watch it, you simply click on the link, and it will open up a streaming page for you. Oh, well, apparently I need to install my Microsoft Silverlight. Hopefully you have that ready for you. Apparently I need to do that. But normally it will just open up, and it should be available for you for streaming. So make sure that you do have Silverlight installed on your computer. If not, it is on the campus computer, so that's something that you can watch there. And some of them are done through that, and some of them are links to actually YouTube videos. So this one will link you just to a YouTube video on Jainism, and this one's divided up into several sections because of the YouTube limitations. But all of those connect to the documentary that you're being asked to watch. So those are all located there. And the last one is the PowerPoint presentations. So you have recorded lectures to watch for each unit. The titles of those PowerPoint lectures are located in the syllabus. So you could just go to YouTube and search the titles and they'll come up, or you can just click on this link to my channel on YouTube, and you'll see all of these videos there. So this is me, and these are all of the video lectures that you'll be watching for the units. And they actually start down here. Unit 1, video 1 out of 2. Unit 2, video 2 out of 2. So they start at the bottom and then they go up throughout the course in order. Okay, so that's where everything is located in the online classroom. Again, if you have any questions about where to find any information, how to submit assignments, or how to navigate the course classroom, please email me at enichols@palomar.edu.